For all you guys out there, I know you clicked on the video because you want to make your voice deeper. Now, for me growing up, I would always talk way too fast and in a high-pitched tone, and people would always ask me to repeat myself because I was talking too quietly or too fast. Now, I finally got fed up with that and decided to look into methods on how to change my voice to make it a lot deeper than it is. Now, the key is to bring your voice to its most natural depth. Now, I'm not gonna guarantee that you're gonna come out sounding like Bane, but I will guarantee that you'll find your voice's most natural depth. And these are the 4 methods that I use to get a deeper sounding voice for myself. Now, the first thing you gotta do is just take a deep breath and start to breathe normally. Now, a lot of people won't take a full breath and their voice will sound weak, and it almost sounds like you're talking up here and the voice gets really weak and fast and it just doesn't sound good. It doesn't sound deep. This is how I used to sound. Now, if you take a nice, deep, complete breath, you'll be able to get the most natural, deep sounding voice possible without feeling like you're talking through your throat up here. You're talking deep from the diaphragm down here. So that's one method, is just to breathe deeply and make sure you're taking complete breaths. Now, the second thing you want to do is just simply stretch out your neck muscles. You can go from side to side, back to front, and then all the way around. And this is a simple exercise just to get your muscles more relaxed and get the most natural sounding deep tone out of your voice. Now, the third thing you can do is try some lower tone breathing exercises. And this will give you more control over your voice, your control, and just the overall developing of this new lower deep tone voice that you want. Now, you can start with a simple thing like, I probably sound pretty weird and look weird doing that, but it's just to get that control over the breathing right and to get that tone out of the diaphragm. And yeah, you can do this every few days. You don't need to do it every day. It's just more of like a practicing exercise just to feel that, deep tone in your voice and in your diaphragm. And it really worked for me. Now, this fourth method is a little bit more extreme, but it allows you to release all the stress and pressure that you've been feeling by screaming as loud as you can. Now, a lot of us are afraid to speak loud and express ourselves. And I think that's one of the biggest reasons why you can't access your most natural, deepest speaking voice. When I was growing up, I felt that my words and what I had to say didn't have a lot of value. So I would just talk really fast like this, and hopefully the people wouldn't hear what I had to say, and they wouldn't pay much attention. So guys, this is your opportunity to let everything out. Just go in your room, lock the door, and scream as loud as you can. I'm not gonna do an example here on the video just because I don't want to hurt your guys' ears. But if you want to take it to a next level, you can even go out in public and do this, and you'll feel pretty good afterwards. You'll be amazed on how you feel. Now, I hope this video was valuable for you guys and that you're already starting to speak in a more deeper, more powerful, natural sounding voice. And if this video is valuable, please let me know how it changed your voice in the comments below. And if you want, share it with anyone else, and be sure to give it a like. It really helps out my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one.